Okay, so there were a couple of emails about the project, the directions for the notebook reflection. So I'm going to go over them quickly in this screencast. So the directions are under Unit 1. It's this file titled the Notebook Project. And there are 5 pages that I'm looking for the 2020 school year. Prior to that, we were responsible for putting pages for the book from the book No God But God, but we are not doing that for the 2020 year. So for the most part, what we are going to do is 5 pages. The first page is your answer to the question, page 1, why did 9/11 occur? Pages 2, 3, and 4, as it's showing you here, are reflections. 3 different pages based on 3 different classes, 3 different reflections, 1 for each. The last page is your updated answer to the same question, why did 9/11 occur? So on the first day of class, I asked you the question, why did 9/11 occur? And let's just say I identified no security. So that's really all you have for page 1. It's just your answer to the question, why did 9/11 occur? That's it. If it's 1, it's 1. That's it. If it's 2, it's 2, whatever. So then we get to the next day, or the next page, which is going to be the first reflection. So what we're going to do here is put class title, and I'm using the plane simulation. And you want to say, give me a quick summary. In today's class, we looked at the history of plane hijackings. Then I want a reflective summary. That's what the directions are telling you. If we go back to the directions, it's saying reflect on the material's ability to make you think about 9/11 or terrorism. Do not write summaries. So you just give me your summary for this particular class. And you can write, pretty much about anything. And if we go back to like the slideshow, we did the profile. Maybe you want to focus on, D.B. Cooper or Ty Bin, whatever it is that you want to kind of focus on there. And you have to do that for 3 different classes. So page 1, why did 9/11 occur? Page 2, 3, and 4, 3 different classes, 3 different reflections. So let's go back to my Word document. So that's page 2. Page 3, the class that I'm writing about is going to be the Golden Age. And then again, today's class was about the Golden Age, and then give me your personal thoughts. Sometimes students use this to talk about family issues, and they say, oh, the Golden Age, I remember my grandpa, or whatever it is that they want to remember, and they talk about how precious those memories, are to them. Page 3, let's just say my class is World War One, and then you write the reflection. Does it have to be the whole page? I would say you should probably want to fill up at least half to 3/4 of this page. Keep in mind, if you fill up the entire page with text, yet you are not reflective and you give me a summary, I will have an issue with that. So make sure you're following the guidelines and those summaries. The last page is simply your updated list of causes for 9/11. So you are taking the first page, why did 9/11 occur? I identified 1, no security. And then causes for 9/11, no security. And now you have an updated list. So you say Saeed cut up his book Milestones is the blueprint, or yeah, is the ideological foundation. You say people want to go back to the golden age of Islam, and what you're doing here is demonstrated. World War One, Arabs getting the land. You are demonstrating to me that you have now more information as far as long-term causes for the 9/11 attacks, and that's it.